Hello, I'm Trevor Grant, Chairman and co-founder of the Association of Expert Mortgage Advisors. We represent the interests of our expert and qualified members whilst promoting professional standards and development at all times. Our members develop long-term relationships with their customers, who can rely on our experience, expertise and knowledge in all aspects of their mortgage, leading to an ultimately rewarding customer experience. Our focus is to proactively engage with all industry stakeholders to improve the mortgage industry and deliver better products and services for our customers. The mortgage crisis is now so large that it risks financially destroying an entire generation and keeping our economy on the rocks for a decade. It has been indiscriminate and adversely affected people in all walks of lives. Over the past 5 years, many borrowers have become emotionally, financially and physically exhausted. Some have depleted their savings, borrowed money from friends and family, and others have ruined their businesses in an attempt to deal with their mortgage repayment difficulties. Some of the reasons for these difficulties can include unemployment or redundancy, illness or accident, loss or reduction in income, increased repayments, a marital breakdown, loss of a tracker rate mortgage, or a void rental period. The latest numbers concerning mortgage arrears are really quite worrying. 26.2% of mortgages are in arrears of any duration by volume. 19.5% of all mortgages, owner-occupier and buy-to-let, are in arrears of more than 90 days. 17% of home loan mortgages by value are in arrears greater than 90 days. 28.5% of buy-to-let accounts by value are in arrears of 90 days. The good news is that 50% of all mortgage arrears customers must receive new terms by the end of the year under strict central bank guidelines. If you are in arrears or experiencing mortgage repayment difficulties, it's vital that you address these problems immediately. A qualified, professional and specialist debt advisor will assist you in reviewing your circumstances, outline your options and assist you in approaching your creditors. In circumstances whereby you have debt with a number of lenders, it's vital that a holistic approach is taken to resolving your repayment issues. Members of the AEMA provide mortgage, negotiation and debt restructuring service for both homeowners and property investors. And we act as an independent external partner working for the benefit of our customers in dealing with their lenders. Our members are experienced and informed regarding the new Personal Insolvency Act and the various central bank codes of conduct for mortgage arrears, including the MARP or Mortgage Arrears Resolution process, which all lenders are required to abide by when dealing with mortgage arrears on the family home. Our members will ensure that you have access to the latest solutions included in the new Personal Insolvency Act and the Mortgage Arrears Resolutions process to tailor a specific solution to allow you make the right decisions to help you on the road to financial recovery. Working with you, we will help you eliminate the emotional burden associated with the telephone calls, letters and the threat of legal action from your lenders. Using our vast experience, our commitment is to work proactively and professionally on your behalf to secure you a revised and affordable mortgage repayment schedule with your lender. For further information regarding our services, or if you wish to speak to one of our qualified and experienced members, please log on to www.aema.ie. We look forward to working with you.